Hey buddies, it's your girl AyChristene, and today we are checking out Chainsaw Man. This is episode 4. Is there no name for this episode? Hello? Um, okay. I thought it might be a glitch, but I guess when we go to post the video, maybe we'll find the name. Hopefully. Anyways, this is episode 4, season 1, episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. We knew in the last episode that Power, wait, aren't they in the Bat Demon right now? Yeah, it ended with the Bat Devil. They're inside the Bat Devil. Okay, let's get into it. Let's find out what happens next because, hello. Check out the links down below to become a member or patron to get uncut reactions to this show along with others. Like the video to help me out in the algorithm. Merch drop down below. Let's get started. Oh, because they're inside the body. Oh, she's holding. Is she gonna get, what about the secretion? She's holding her little. Oh. Oh, he cut her out. They freaking pulled a, ay, one punch. He's looking kind of good right there. Oh. Oh my gosh. I take it all back. What is about to happen? Such a foolish reason. But we know this companionship. He ain't had companionship. Did he do it already? Okay. Oh, he didn't do it already. Are we about to see it? Does he not want to anymore? The birds are departing. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, what in the world? What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? Oh. What is that? Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Not even a finger. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, he has to rev it again. Oh dear. Because he lost so much blood. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why'd you? That was, oh, it was your man? You think I'm gonna be with you? You just ate my arms. Ugh. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How is he gonna fight? Ooh. Ooh. Will he grow his arm back though? He should heal, right? Do devils heal? No, you know what? The other one, he needed blood to heal. The Bat Devil needed blood to heal. Oh my goodness. What is it? What is it throwing that's like taking off limbs? Oh goodness. Oh my gosh. She is next level, bruh. Is she like a worm? Oh. Why can't she move? Oh. Oh, there he is. He really wants some titties, boo-boo. Oh, good. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh, goodness. Oh. You can't even... What about if you use your head? Well, if you didn't need his arm, you could have seen this full potential. Oh, I bet. I think he was lying to you, baby. I don't think he liked you. You know? I don't think he did. Oh my goodness. Her and that anus. He really want to touch them, bruh. Yeah. There's more to it. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, okay. Okay. You're good. You're good. You're good. Okay. Ooh. 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 Okay. He is skilled. Okay, mister. Agility. A+ agility. Are you feeling me? Oh, he gonna tie her up. He gonna tie her up with her boyfriend's intestines. That's disgusting. Ooh. Also, how many intestines? Oh, how many intestines did her boyfriend have? Ooh. 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 Oh, goodness. Goodness. Why can't she move? Ooh. Oh, goodness. Crazy. Are they both laughing? What is happening here? They both cray-cray. And it probably stinks to high heaven. Like straight booty. Hot, nasty booty. Ooh. Oh, he pulled her by her hair. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, she impaled him? She impaled him. Oh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's the partner, right? Oh. 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 Who this? Oh. 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 What? Who this? Are these other? Is his arm gonna grow back? Does he have to have blood in order for that to happen? Those apple slices? Yeah, he's like cutting them. Oh, he found it? Okay. Oh, blood. Okay. Ah, okay. They just needed blood to reattach it. Mm. Okay. Mm. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, some skin this time? Oh, oh, those. Mm. Well, she did kind of sacrifice you. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yep, yep. Oh, she did. Mm. He's gonna play dumb. Oh. Oh, really? Mm. See, yeah, he's doing well. That guy, yeah. He did say that. Wait. Wait, I can't take this scene seriously with his like creeping fingers trying to get some of these very beautifully cut apples. Mm. Mm. What? He's not a brat. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he likes to have a life. What's he sniffing the apple? Keep it in mind. Oh, whose home is this? Does he like the fox? Or is this her apartment? Are they together? Oh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so he's covering for... Mm. So this is her office. I thought this was like a... Yeah, they did. That's one thing, for sure. I thought this was her apartment. Mm. Yeah, let's see what she thinks. We gotta watch out. Mm. Yeah, he would never give that credit to Denji. Mm. Oh, he's in his toast. I love that we're getting his whole... we're getting a cooking scene. I freaking love cooking. Mm. Oh no, come on. I wanted to see the cooking. Who's banging on the door like this? Huh. Oh my goodness, is she moving in? Oh my goodness. This poor guy. Right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Poor guy. Mm. Oh, also to keep an eye on it. Mm. She doesn't like food? Oh. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Calm down. Mm-hmm. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Only occasionally be... Okay, did she say occasionally flush? Let's take it back because she said that she occasionally flushes. Mm. That is disgusting. Occasionally. Oh my goodness. Mm. That's hilarious. That's how Hayakawa felt. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Oh. She said, oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. It's okay. It's happening right now. Okay. What is... Oh, okay. What are the stipulations? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's true. That's true. He did do that. Okay. Oh dear. All right. All right. Are you ready? You gonna have a heart attack? You okay? And is there a sink at the top of the toilet? We knew she wasn't planning to do it because, as we know, she was planning to have him be sacrificed, right? So he wasn't gonna get to touch the tangles anyways. She's disgusting. I'm mad she said she occasionally flushes the toilet or flushes her poops down. And you saw all the mountain of toilet paper she had in there. That's nasty. You should always flush your poop. Okay. It's good to see that she's like, hey, we're going to uphold my end of the bargain. But it seems like, is he going to make it? I feel like something's going to happen. You know, I think it's going to be the typical situation where something's going to happen that's going to interrupt his opportunity, you know, that I thought been happened, but apparently never happened. This anime has a great animation style, like the flow and the movement. And I freaking love that. Another one that has good animation, really freaking good, Carol and Tuesday. Season 1, there's a situation where hold on. Close that now. I told you to wait until I'm done. Close that now. Give it to me. I told you to wait. That's what I said. So just wait. I'm almost done. Okay? Just wait. Oh, so there's like a scene in season 1 where they're having like this talent competition, and this one guy goes to sing, and I forgot his name, but like his moves, I will never forget his moves. I was just like, this is such great animation, and it was so beautiful. There was like this sheen. I freaking loved it. The performances in that show were just like 1,000 tier, not top tier, but like the toppest of the toppest of the toppest tier. Like it was beyond top tier. And this has remnants of that nostalgia. So it's kind of like a mix of like the animation, the flow of Carol and Tuesday, but some of the comedy of One Punch Man, right? And like, I'm excited to continue to see this world and how I'm looking forward to the friendship that's building, right? Because already things have calmed down between Denji and Hayakawa, and I feel like the same thing is going to happen for her as well, and that they're going to have kind of like a sibling vibe, like brothers and sisters type of situation, where there's going to be playful banter and fun, but also like a lot of hijinks and a lot of pranks and a lot of trolling and trouble and things like that in that realm. So I'm actually really looking forward to what's going to happen. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'm looking forward to the series. The art style is amazing. The animation is amazing. And I'm really liking the characters. What are your thoughts down below? Also, check out the links down below to become a member or patron for early access to reactions and uncut reactions to this show, along with others. Also, please like the video to help out your goal in the algorithm. Thank you so much. I love you guys as always. And until next time, buddies. Toodles.